Hi folks, hope you're well. Just a bit of behind the scene footage for you over in the shed today, and I just thought I'd show you what we were doing. Let's see if I can flip this round. 1 second. We're just doing a flask there. We've got these ones over here, which is done. As you can see, we've got the GTA girl with a baseball bat, and we're also doing this one, a custom pour here. I'm not sure whether you're into your computer gaming, but this is a character from the computer game Fortnite. I think it's Renegade. I can't remember what the name was now. Something Renegade, but that's a custom pour for someone. And we've got the 2 flasks. I'm working away. I'm also got the Stackers Social 800 members bar I've got to do because the giveaway I think finishes in a day or 2. So that's it. I'm working through that. That's going to be a bit tricky just because of the size of it. 365 hasn't done me no favours there, has he? Because it's a tiny one. A little bit of tricky. The lettering's going to be tricky. But yeah, that's what I'm on at the moment. I'll come back to you. I've just stopped for a coffee. And I'll show you a bit more once I get onto those. And it's stopped raining. The sun's come out now. Right, so I've done all the sandcasts now. So they're just sitting there as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's cool. So I'm going to have a tidy down now. I'll show you the desk. You see, a bit of a mess. But I'll have a tidy down now before we pour. And as you can see, there's the trouble that 365 has caused me. I mean, a miniature 4-piece panel. I mean, only he could think of that type of stuff, couldn't he? Causing me problems, as you can see. But it should be pretty cool. If it comes out, it'll be pretty cool. And there's those. And that's a custom one for another customer. And yeah, I'll get on and tidy up. And then I'll come back to you guys when I come to do the pour. And I cleaned out my quench dish. This is some of the bits and pieces at the bottom. I was getting on for 100 grams there, so that can go in today. And we'll get that turned into one of them panels. So there we go. That's halfway through the day of the pour. As you can see, the furnace is on 320. So it's still got a way to go. I'll come back to you folks when that's ready to pour. Here we go. So this is the next one. We're doing part of the 800 bar. I don't know if you're going to get that. You're getting it, just the bottom right section. So let me just check the furnace. I got my face shield. Let's have a look. Yep, we're nearly there now. So let's get it on and see how it goes. There we go then. Got to do this as quick as I can. Whoa, look at that, all the way to the top. Oh man. I only just stopped that bad boy. Oh man, get that bead off. But yeah, with these you've got to go as quick as you can. As you can see, full to the brim, that one. Oh man, full to the brim. let's get it open. Whoa, these are very tricky, these little bars. He set me a right task, he has. I'll get the record on so you can see the quench as well, but here we go. Let's get him out. It's come out pretty cool by the look of it. Don't know whether you can see that on the camera, but not too shabby. It's come out okay. Yeah, not too bad. Right, I've got the other two sections to do. I've already done the first one, so that's 2 down. I'm going to do the other sections now. Just clear these out the way. Oh man, it's getting warm in the shed. It's been a right day, been at it. I'm looking forward to getting in and have a coffee, another coffee. Right, so now we've got to keep moving now, because obviously the furnace is doing its thing. I've just got to weigh what that one is and replenish the furnace. So that section with the sprue come to 75 grams, so I've got to get 75 grams back in, so we're ready to rumble again, as it were. Here we go. This is piece number 3. This is the top left. If I can find the print. I don't know what I've done with the print. Here it is. No, sorry, top right. We're going for the top right piece now with the lettering on. So this is going to be tricky again. Tricky's caused me so many headaches. But let's see what we can do. We'll go again straight away. There we go. That went in a bit better again. I had a little bit of an overpour, as you can see, little bead on top, but it is what it is. Oh yeah. I'm enjoying doing these little live, well, live, I say, just letting the camera go for you guys. A bit different to normal, how I edit it all up and stuff. Right. See, we're running a bit hot. We're up to 1050, so I've just opened the top of the furnace now, just to let it cool down a little bit, because the time it's taking for me to take it out, quench it and get back to it, it's running too hot. So, because the amount of silver I'm putting in is heating up really quick, so you do have to bear that in mind. So let's just get him out now and get him quenched and see if it works. Can't really see a lot there. Oh yeah, I can see the word social, we're okay. Oh yeah, that's okay. Cool. So now we'll get the last bit of graining, what we need. I'll have a quick inspection. Yep. Put that graining. And we should be good with what's already in. And that ounce 42 to get us where we need to get to. So here we go then, the last one. Let's see how this one comes out. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pours out of 6. I've gone and said it, I'm probably going to knacker it now, but there we go, last pour, let's have it. Whoa, look at that one, got it in there. Pleased with that. Oh, if this comes out, it'll be a full house for the day. Oh. Doesn't normally happen. Sometimes you always get 1 or 2 that cause you problems. But fingers crossed. Oh, it's fell out. Oh. You getting that? Oh yeah, guys, it's come out cool. It's come out cool. Right, so that's the pause. Now I've just still got some left in the crucible I've got to deal with. So what I'll do with that, we'll just pour a little bar. My heat brick. We'll just pour a little bar. You see, just getting all the dross out and the last bits of silver. Well, I say dross, it's just graphite. It's just a bit of graphite that's come off, and you'll see in a sec, if I can lift it up. See the black? That's just a bit of graphite, but that'll come off. And that'll go to fight again another day. I'll just put it there. You'll see it's not as black now. Now it's being quenched. It's just like that graphitey colour. But that'll get remelted. And that's it, folks. That's the pause over. I'll show you once I've done the cleanup. Oh yeah. As you can see, I'm red. It's really hot. I've just had to open the door of the shed now. And you've got to see these bad boys. Let me flip you around. Look at these. Come out so cool, so pleased. The custom pour there's come out really well. I had to do another GTA lady. That one I can't show you, unfortunately. The customer doesn't want that shown. But here's the makings of the 800 bar, and I'm sure you'll agree it's looking really, really cool. Looking really, really cool. This is good. It's caused me problems because of just the size, how small it is. I mean, when you compare, that's what I'm normally working with. The 365. I keep saying it's 365 is the bane of my life. It causes me all the problems. But it is a cool idea. I'll be honest, it's a very cool idea. So what I'll do now, as I said, I'll get the sprues cut off and then I'll show you guys the finished bits once that's done. There we go, folks. It took me a bit longer than I was expecting. But we've got all the sprues cut off now and all the edges are sanded. You can't see that one again. But look at that bad boy. I think when that's cleaned up and toned, it's going to be a winner for the 800 giveaway. I'm very pleased with these two. Come out really cool. All that, as I say, all the edges have been done there. So we can get over now. What I'm going to do now is do the ultrasonic cleaning and get them toned up. Oh yeah. Back inside now. Got everything going on, as you can probably hear. Printer behind me, the ultrasonic cleaner. I'll flip you guys round so you can see that. There you go, if you can hear that. And I've also got the 3D printer going now. That's one I've just finished. Almost cyborg, come out really cool. Look at that, that's going to make a fabulous panel. But this is one that's causing me problems, this biting thinker. You can see the top one took me one go. This one's took me one go, and now the bottom right one took me one go. So I'm having problems with the print. I have to keep adjusting how I'm printing it. But the ones that have come out are wow cool. So that's going to be a fabulous panel when that's done. Really, really cool. But I'm just having problems printing it. As you say, we're just going again on that. So we are multitasking now. We've got the printer going and ultrasonic. So trying to get a lot done with what time we've got left today. Oh, look at that. I can't wait to pour that. So there we go. The toning. You see that? That's just come out. It's the other one. And we've got her still in, doing its thing. And the Stacker Social. So nearly there. I'm just going full heavy toned, heavy antiqued on these, and then I'll polish them back. But yeah, not too bad. And the print, you can see, we're just coming up to the danger area. As you can see, that's where it failed last time.
Z-axis line didn't work. So we're just coming up to the same area, as you can see. So we'll see what happens this time. But yeah, going okay.
So that was pretty much the day, really. As you can see here, this is the Stacker Social 800 bar. All finished. I had a really fun day. The 3D print failed again, so I had to flip it over and do it the other way. That one's come out. And that's it. I'm going to bed now. So I'll leave you with the 800 bar. Cheers for watching.